out your dinner for some kitty. Please believe me, I see Riri, I'ma eat it like panini. I go dumb up in the bra, hit the walls like graffiti. Indian birds all up on the go wee wee. I think I need a foursome. Bella can do Gigi, it be easy, if we're easy, hook it all up on a leasy. I go crazy in my easy, Kirk Neasy on a beat. I told them that we finna blow up in the street. Rappers talk subliminal, but they don't talk to me. Put them in the Jersey Shore like 20D. Ride with the mob, through our law. Check you and me, and do your job. Bird is the name, and Ola did the chain. For the rush, easy plain Jane. Ride with the mob, through our law. Check you and me, and do your job. Bird is the name, and Ola did the chain. For the rush, easy plain Jane. Bobby mobbing with my quick or something. Yeah. Mobbing with my quick or something. Mobbing with my quick or something. Yeah. Mobbing with my quick or something.
Bust it wide open. Alright, it's time for that beat to take over your soul and make you shake like you got a point to prove. It's Beats After the Break, starring Power Team DJ Chicken. Exclusively on Power 1029.
Guess who's back? Yeah, guess who's back? Heated Black on a track with Black Biggie Black. You already know what it's here for.
In the building till 9 o'clock. Of course, 10 o'clock, me and Jay Skills are holding you down with that Saturday night mix show. But if it's your birthday, I'm still trying to hold you down. If you don't know who you're celebrating your birthday with, K. Michelle, she's making 35. Happy birthday. K. And Draymond Green from the championship Golden State Warriors. He's making 27. How old are you making? 504-260-1029 is that number to call so I can give you that love. Or you can hit me up on my social media at DJ Shy Smooth on Twitter and Instagram. New music all on the way by your request. It's New Orleans Power 1029.
Power 1029.
Hip hop and R&B.
On Friday, March 16th, don't miss the third installment of the annual Black and White NOLA and birthday celebration for comedian and event host Rude Jew. Last 2 years, the city came out in nothing but the finest black and white attire hosting some of the hottest events and venues across the Gulf Coast region. This year, it only gets bigger and better as we return to the luxurious and state-of-the-art Metropolitan, located at 310 Andrew Higgins Drive, Friday, March 16th, for the Rude June 3rd Annual Black and White NOLA. Not one, not two, but three of the top DJs in the city. DJ Chicken, DJ Juice, and DJ Chris Major, along with special guest Mario P. Be Nice, and of course the man of the hour, Rude Jew. For information or to book a section, call